I'm going to show you some easy ways to change the photos in a Canva template. Go over here to Elements in your left-hand side, or you could go straight to Photos. And these are my recently used, but you can search up here for anything you want. The other way to find another photo, or obviously if there's a photo of you that you want to upload, that's great. If you want to find a photo that's like this but not this, an easy way is to click on it and then go to this little I for info, and then you'll hit see more like this. Some of them are pro features, so if you're free, you're not able to use those. It just comes up with a bunch of people at the beach. Let me just pick one of these, and then you just drag it in there. It's really, really easy to change it out. Now, see, I want to use her, but I want her face in here. So I will double click and then crop it down like that. The other way to do that is to hit this crop button, but I discovered this double click and it's a little faster. So hitting the crop right here is the same thing. You can zoom it in, zoom it out so that her face isn't cut off inside of this frame. Then the other type of photo you might have is something like this that's in the background. This is actually a photo or an image. And so you could drag this around. Oh, look, see, it's trying to go into the frame. I don't want that, but maybe I wanted to just drag it around and like flip it upside down or something and put it on the other side. Maybe I like this, but I want something a little bit different than this, so I can go to see more like this and get some other types of like ripped paper. Who knows? Maybe I want, oh no, I don't want it in my frame. Maybe I want that behind or on top or something like that, so then I can position it to the back. Something like that. Or you can just totally delete this if you don't want it. One thing I like to do sometimes for a background is to look for something like white marble. Here's a free one, and you can pull it in like that and then select it and make the transparency so it's still my brand color and you can read my white text, but it's got a little bit of texture. You can't really tell it's marble that much, but it's not just a plain color that way. So those are a few things I like to do for images and changing the photos in my Canva templates for both the background and the foreground.